Okay, guys, I analyzed these three assets yesterday, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out the outcome of these three assets. Remember, I use the same strategy which I have been explaining to you guys in most of my videos in analyzing all these three assets. Okay, and we're going to be seeing the outcome or what we are able to get from these three assets right now. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. Let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So this is the first asset which I analyzed yesterday. Okay, and of course, the name of this particular asset is actually called Ganex 1200, and this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, like you guys have known, I love using 15 minutes time frame. I This particular asset has actually been on downtrend right from here. I remember we also traded the trend and it got us to this particular region. Okay, I remember telling you guys that okay, this had got into the support zone. This should be 2 days ago, okay, and it's trying to go back on uptrend. However, it was playing around there for a while. But yesterday, I told you that once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. And as you can see, that actually happened, and this led to a big buy, just the way we are seeing it right from here, because the assets actually changed into an uptrend. Okay, the movement of the chart actually changed into an uptrend, so it favors the buy signal. So for those of you who have been willing to trade spikes, okay, I believe you should have taken the opportunity to trade this particular asset because it gave you an opportunity to trade the spikes. That is what I am saying. Okay, most of you might be wondering how I'm able to come up with this unique signal. Okay, so let me use this opportunity to explain to you. The strategy I have been using is called the trend trading strategy. All I just need to do is just to understand the exact trend the market is in at that time, or probably if it is changing from one trend to another. And of course, once I'm able to get this done, then definitely I follow the trend. Okay, that supports, I mean, the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so in this situation, it has gotten to the support zone already. It has not been able to break out from there. So definitely the next thing that should happen is for it to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. So I had to wait. In short, I had to wait for like 2 days before it was able to switch fully into an uptrend. Okay. So, and of course, that gives me an opportunity to come up with the signal which I threw out yesterday. And for those of us who were able to pick up the signal, I'm very sure we would have made a lot of profits with that. Okay, so this actually gave us a lot of profit right from here to this very end. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. Okay, so this is a beautiful thing, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. So that is the power of trend trading strategy. And another beautiful thing about this is that this trade actually um is on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this means that this actually took a very long period of time before it actually came to an end. Okay, so that's a beautiful one for us. Okay, so and it is a huge profit at the end of the day. Okay, so that's so good. Okay, so now let's move on to the second signal. This is the second signal. It is called the pain x 999. Okay, the pain x 999, if you remember very well, it started a downtrend right from here. And if you remember very well, we actually traded this particular signal also to this very end of the support zone. But when it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there. Okay, so it tried to go back into an uptrend. But if you should remember, it tried it out around there, but it didn't go for too long. So I feel that it is important that we wait for it to break out above this trend line for us before we can say we jump into it. Okay, and of course, it did that yesterday. and gave us more profits, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so that's another breakthrough for us. Okay, so it is still the same strategy, the trend trading strategy. Okay, the trend trading strategy is still the method we are using. Okay, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it gave us a lot of profit at the end of the day. Once you get it right, then you will always be in profit. Okay, now let's look at the last asset, which is FX volume 80. This is still working. Yesterday I told you that this actually got to the resistance zone. It sold for a while but got to this region, didn't go too far, but far enough to give us a lot of profit. So it was going back to the resistance zone yesterday. So I said if it breaks out from this particular region, then it should get to this region. But as you can see, it didn't get to this region. That's because it didn't break out from this particular region. And of course, right from there, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. And I said once this happens, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so when this is when it switched to a downtrend and it gave us a sell signal at this point, got to this same region, okay, had a pullback, which gave us another entry for a sell signal. Okay, and of course, and at this point we are already in huge profit. So right now it has gotten to another region. If you should notice, this particular region is actually a region that was respected around here. Okay, so that is why it is respecting it here again. So it is having another pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, it should be true with the pullback somewhere around here. Okay, so once it is done with the pullback, then it will go back down and see if it can break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so that is the beauty of you understanding this strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. Once you are able to get it right, then you will or you are most likely to be in profit all the time. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. And it is also very easy for you to use it to grow a small trading capital. Okay, because once you are sure of the trend, you just trade within the trend, and of course you follow a certain pattern for a very long time, and of course you can make a lot of money from there. All you just need to do is just to understand the strategy, understand how to identify the trend, how to identify your resistance zone, and all these will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, so all these are very, very important, and once you are able to get all these right, then you will, or you are most likely to be in profit in most of your trades. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.